Hey everyone, want to permanently delete your ChatGPT account? Let me walk you through exactly how to do it right now. Let's go. First, go to Chat.com on your desktop and log into your account. Click your profile icon in the bottom left corner of the screen and select Settings from the menu. Inside Settings, click on Data Controls. You will see an option that says Delete Account at the bottom of the page. Click it. ChatGPT will show you a warning letting you know that deleting your account is permanent and cannot be undone. All your chat history, saved data, and subscription details will be completely erased. Read it carefully and make sure you are ready. If you are sure, type your email address to confirm your identity, then click the red Delete Account button. You will receive a confirmation email. Open it and click the confirmation link to fully complete the deletion. And just like that, your account is permanently gone. If you have an Active Plus subscription, make sure you cancel it before deleting your account to avoid any future charges. On mobile, the process is the same. Go to Settings, tap Data Controls, tap Delete Account, and follow the same steps. That is it, simple and done. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe, and I will catch you in the next one. Clipboard quick recap. Step Action 1. Settings, right arrow, Data Controls, Delete Account. 2. Read the warning carefully. 3. Enter email to confirm identity. 4. Click confirmation link in your email.